Hey, today I'm going to show you how to upload large files to Google Drive faster, so you don't have to wait forever. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com and sign in if you haven't already. Now, instead of uploading through the web interface, I recommend using the Google Drive desktop app. It's called Drive for Desktop. Head over to Google's Drive for Desktop page and download it. Once installed, it creates a folder on your PC that syncs automatically. Now, simply drag and drop your large files into this folder. As you can see, the app uploads in the background and uses smart syncing, which is usually faster and more stable than the browser upload. If you want to speed things up even more, try connecting your PC via Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi and close other heavy internet users or apps. Another tip: compress your large files into a zippy before uploading. It reduces size and upload time. That's it. Using Drive for Desktop Plus, these tips will get your big files uploaded way faster. If this video helpful, then subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any tech video from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop it in the comment section. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.